Welcome to Mount Royal Golf and Country Estate, where the tranquility of countryside living meets the sophistication of an estate lifestyle. Nestled in the heart of Malmesbury, just 40 minutes from Cape Town, this is more than just a place to live. It's where life unfolds beautifully. With over 108 hectares of secure master-planned living space, Mount Royal is set to become home to 726 lucky families, all seeking that perfect balance of convenience, community, and country charm. Imagine waking up each day to breathtaking views of Table Mountain, golden wheat fields, and the gentle hum of nature. Whether you're a growing family, an active retiree, or an investor looking for the next gem, Mount Royal has a place for you. At the heart of this estate is our championship 18-hole golf course, developed by none other than Robbie Marshall of Golf Data, one of South Africa's most renowned designers. The first 9 holes are already playable, and the full course will soon be a golfer's dream. Need access to top facilities? Mount Royal is just minutes from Malmesbury Private Hospital, a major regional shopping mall, and several schools. You're also under an hour from Stellenbosch, Paarl, and Bluebergstrand, putting wine country and beaches easily within reach. Mount Royal is developing in phases, with Phase 1 already sold out. Phase 2 is selling fast, offering full-title residential stands and upcoming precincts designed specifically for the golden years. And yes, commercial spaces are coming too. Our homes combine modern design with warm, livable comfort. Think open-plan layouts, expansive views, high-speed internet, and seamless integration with nature. Perfect for families, remote workers, and everyone in between. Adventure lovers rejoice. There's a 6.5-kilometer mountain biking and running trail and a 17.9-hectare Rennesderveld nature reserve within the estate. It's home to over 44 bird species and a growing herd of springbok, truly a haven for nature enthusiasts. And what's coming next? A brand new clubhouse with a restaurant and bar, paddle courts, a fitness center, and even a business park. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Your new beginning starts here. A home at Mount Royal is not just a smart investment. It's an opportunity to join a thriving, secure, and nature-connected community. Live where every day feels like a getaway. Don't miss your chance. Book your private or virtual tour today.